install a hair unit with me. My sister got me this bob wig and it's really cute, and I'm super excited to try this hair on me. For some reason, I don't know the name of the hair or the unit, but I really love it. Is I think it's a 5x5 closure, I'm not sure, but I love the lace of the hair unit, and it has 3-pin, I think 3-pin in it, and it's really cute. It came with a wig cap and also a comb. I'm gonna be working with it, so I decided to comb the hair using the comb before putting it on my hair, and I'm gonna cut the lace. And as you can see, guys, this is what the unit looks like on my head without being touched or anything. I just comb it all through, and it's really sleek on the head, and I love it. So I'm just using my hand to slip it. And next I'm gonna use my scissors to cut the lace. So at this point I was trying to cut the lace to give me the actual size. For some reason the hair keeps getting in the way, and I can't actually find where I place my pin or where I keep my pin. And this is actually going to be my first time doing my hair or cutting the lace on camera. I usually do this off camera, but I love the lace, and I was trying so hard not to overcut the lace or to cut the lace too much. So I just gently keep cutting the lace until I'm satisfied with the actual lace size that I want to go for. And next I'm going to be using my contour powder on the lace so it looks more like skin. I'm just placing it all over on the lace. Just laid the hair on my head, and I went for this side part because I was just trying out different styles to see what suits me or what fits my face. And I love the fact that with this unit you can style it different ways, and I love the side part. So I was just combing the hair through, and it's really beautiful and sleek and so soft. So at this point I was just styling the hair the way I want it, and with this you can style it however you like. You can keep it to side part, or you can also keep it to middle part depending on preference. But for me, I try to switch between both, and at this point there was no light, so I was using this to wait for the light to be back, but it didn't. So I was just playing with the hair, and indeed I loved it. So all through you're just going to be seeing me styling the hair and layering the part of the hair. If there's lace, applying some powder on the lace as well to make it look more like skin. So yeah, this is how it looks on me. I mean, I love this unit. It's so beautiful, it's sleek, it's soft, it's gorgeous, it's everything. And thank you to my sister for thinking of getting me this hair, and I really do appreciate this. It's just so beautiful. So I'll just combine it all through. The funny thing is, one side of the hair is bobbing and the other side of the hair is not bobbing, and I don't know why NEPA at this point they refuse to bring the light. But yeah, I was just combing the hair through, using this as an opportunity to wait for NEPA to see if they'll bring back the light, but they didn't. So for the flyaways, I decided to use my wax stick on the middle part of my hair just to sleek everything together so there is no flyaways. And I love that this wax stick was able to do part of the job, which is quite interesting, and I loved it. So I was just slicking everything together, and I went back with my comb again to comb it through. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did create it, and see you in the next one.